everyone, welcome back to another episode of RJ 101. And in today's episode, we'll be covering adding your gamer box art for what Aurora failed to apply. So, as you can see here, we have an emulator for your Super Nintendo. We see that Aurora was unable to apply this. Even if you go into details and go into download cover, we can see that no cover is found. So to do this, first thing you want to do, make sure that you know what your console IP address is, and also ensure that FTP is enabled and you know your credential for your login. Alright, once you have that, let's move over to the PC and let's get started. Now that we're on our PC, one of the applications that you'll need to do this is Aurora Asset Editor. Here you can find it on their GitHub. So you go to the Xbox Unity GitHub and you'll go down to their release and you can download this one. It will come down in a compressed file and you can unzip it. I may have it as a resource, but you can come down here and just click it and actually get it downloaded. So once it's downloaded, you'll unzip it, have it on your PC, and then we'll open that application. So the application will look just like this. So what you want to go over is to your FTP asset, and you're going to put in the IP address, username and password for your console. So 129, and you can test connection. You see that connection established, and what you'll do, you'll get available assets, and it'll grab all the games from your console. So that we have here. So we are working on the SNES 360. So you'll search for that within the list. I may have passed it. Let's go back up again. Another easy way to do it, you should be able to. Okay, there we go. So we'll right click on this and we'll get all assets. You can see there's no assets for it. Then we'll go to our online assets and we'll go to the Unity source and you can remove that, and in the keyword type SNES and you'll search by keyword and you'll have ton of art to select from. You can just select any one of them, anything that's suit your fancy. Alright, so let's select this one. So what we'll do, we'll right click okay, so we right click on the art itself and we can set as cover. If we go there, that's where it is. So all we need to do is go over back to our FTP asset tab. We're going to right click, and what we're going to do, we're going to save all assets. You can see it's saving whatever assets that's been downloaded straight to your console. So, alright, so we can close off this and let's switch back over to our console and see how it looks. Alright, so now we're back on our console. So now that we have updated from the PC to the console itself, we just need to restart Aurora for this to be updated. So you button and we'll do a reload of Aurora. I'll give that some time. Okay, so let's find our box art that we just did. And there we go. We just managed to update our box art for our emulate of game. And that's how we do it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next episode for RGH 3101. Like and subscribe. Leave any comment or question, and I'll get back to you on that. Thanks for watching.